Welcome to our channel, where we bring you the latest and greatest in forestry machinery. From powerful chainsaws to cutting-edge harvesters, we explore the tools revolutionizing the timber industry. The Deeper Fox Stump Crusher 850 Pro is a powerful, efficient tool for 30-ton excavators. Its gear switching feature adapts to stump hardness, while bolt-on blades ensure durability. Fast and eco-friendly, it's a game changer in stump removal. Let's take a look at the Serra Montana MD90, a robust, mobile sawmill capable of handling logs up to 7 meters long and 900 millimeters in diameter, weighing 2,300 kilograms and powered by a 133 kilowatts engine. It features a mechanical in-feed system and log lifter for efficient heavy-duty cutting. The custom stump removal machine from Sunrise Excavating is highly efficient, operated by one person, and can easily uproot massive stumps. Its two synchronized machines tear stumps into small fragments in a single motion, demonstrating remarkable power and precision. The Sampo Roseno HR86 Forest Harvester costs over $200,000 and is a robust 21-ton machine built in Finland. It is designed for cost-effective thinning and final cutting, featuring a 260 horsepower AGCO 6-cylinder engine and a Misera 240H crane with a 15-meter reach. Let's witness how a massive 18-meter-long dog fair with a diameter of up to 1.4 meters is sliced into large timber planks at the Hall Oaks Lumber Company sawmill, powered by steam. This mill, known for its powerful saw blades, specializes in custom orders. Powerful for chipping, the Eshelbach Viber 92 RBM chipper features a 3.1-meter in-feed conveyor and a 1-meter rotor for easy log processing. Its 90 degrees swivel enhances operational flexibility, delivering top-tier high-performance forestry. Welcome to the world of Nibor SLH-1200, a 14-ton debarker controlled with a push of a button. Designed for logs up to 1.2 meters in diameter, its 122 kilowatts motor powers a heavy-duty head that cuts bark effortlessly, offering superior performance and durability. When you saw those timber trucks in the Alps defying gravity, their rigs pushed to the limit, you couldn't help but admit, those roads were beyond anything you'd ever imagined. A single work cycle yields a high output from a Spaltfix K540 multi-wood processing line. It smoothly operates and precisely slices logs up to 55 centimeters in diameter, generating up to 50 centimeters long per cycle. For those who need to conquer the toughest logs with ease, the HF800 2-speed cone log splitter is the answer. With a 40-ton splitting force, it handles logs up to 800 millimeters in diameter and processes up to 80 cubic meters of wood per hour. Volvo wheel loaders boost productivity with high capacity, flexibility, and efficient attachments. Their powerful engines and long reach reduce cycle times in log unloading, stacking, and sorting. The L180F high lift handles up to 4.5 tons per lift and cuts storage space by 60%. A true heart stopper. It's astonishing how quickly things can change, leaving you in complete disbelief. The best part? He walked away without a scratch. Definitely a moment to be thankful for. The Bobcat T190 log splitter attachment is a durable, high-performance tool for efficient wood splitting. Its adjustable wedge handles log up to 24 inches in diameter and 16 feet in length, offering versatility for firewood, ensuring reliable, long-lasting performance under heavy use. This is probably the most impressive timber transport scene I have ever seen. Helicopter logging uses the Boeing CH-234 Chinook, powered by two 2,400 horsepower engines, to lift trees from remote areas, reducing infrastructure needs and environmental impact. It increases productivity, with heli loggers earning significantly higher wages than industry averages. Overheating caused a timber truck fire, quickly contained by fire crews, highlighting the dangers machines face and the need for swift response. Thank you for joining us in exploring the world of forestry machinery. We appreciate your support. Don't forget to subscribe for more exciting content. We can't wait to have you with us in the next episode.